All right, last one.
Banksy's shredded painting is on sale again, and it may be worth 6 times as much. Mm-hmm. This is the painting that was auctioned and then immediately shred at the completion of the auction, at least to a point. It shred to a point.
Yeah, it kind of failed halfway.
Did it fail halfway?
What do you mean?
Or was it intended to only make it halfway?
I think based on what Banksy said, it was supposed to shred the whole way. But it got stuck. There was like a malfunction.
Yeah, and now it's worth.
Now it's worth more.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a crazy idea. Self-destruct mode on the painting. Although the way it was shredded, I guess you could piece it back together anyway.
I mean, the shreds weren't like
cross shreds.
Minimal.
No, it was just strips.
Now it's worth even more.
So what is the amount now? I don't even remember the original amount. Millions, obviously. A few months ago, 2018 auction. Fueled by, subject of 30,000 news stories. Wow. Mm-hmm. He sold original artworks in New York Central Park, priced at $60. I remember that, obviously. If they're going to give us a whole backstory on Banksy here, you got to get your scroll going, Will. If we're going to get the actual price, you see, they got to keep you on the page long enough.
Yeah. If I just do this.
There we go. That's a different one that sold for $23 million. Moments after selling for £1 million, $1.4 million at the London auction. Now it's up again, and they think it could fetch $8.3 million instead of the 1.4 when it goes under the hammer. And it's like, okay.
Is this like NFT quality? Just the sheer ridiculousness of it.
Well, it's not even that. It's not even the ridiculousness of it. Like in this case, it is an actual Banksy artwork.
Sure.
But the idea that if you shred it, that you've eliminated the value, like the way that it half shredded, and now it's just even more famous because there were 30,000 news stories. So everyone knows it. You just showed it to me in 2 seconds. I said, oh, it's the one that shredded.
Yeah.
So if you had it, if you owned it as a collector, that amount of notoriety compared to just any other Banksy that didn't shred, I'm just not surprised at all that this would be worth more now than before because it was part of whatever, meant to be a troll. It was his intent to have, I mean, it's the self-destructing Banksy that didn't destruct. The story is valuable.
Yeah.
For a collector.
I guess it's the only artwork that self-destruct.
Sort of attempted to, that he tried to self-destruct. It's a one-time deal, $8 million. No big deal. $8 million ain't nothing. Go ahead. Get your bids in. Sotheby's. They're waiting for you. Maybe the next stunt is that it fully self-destructs next time.
And then they make an NFT version.
It's been fixed. This is the real auction, the full self-destruct mode.
There you go.
All right.